Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you, and this time for tuning in to my 3124th edition of Short Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. How are you, traders? I just got back from Utah. Lots of great stuff going on. Market's going crazy, and Omni has been absolutely right in tune. It hasn't been getting as many fills as we'd hoped for, but boy, oh boy, the Omni arrow has been right in tune, telling us where this thing is going to go. This video coming at you on a Monday night for Trading Tuesday, video 3124, and it's being filmed for trading on 8/25/2016. This is a risky game, risky. Never trade without your protective stops. Always have protective stops in before you enter into a long or short position. The Omni is red. The Omni went neutral on Sunday for Sunday night through Monday and turned red Monday on the close for trading on Tuesday, and it makes perfect sense. Why? Russell 2000 daily bar chart. The double top. Since the double top, it is absolutely reacting. The double top respect is being paid by the market right now. So it is working. And it doesn't look very good here. In fact, this looks like it's going to lead to more downside, at least for trading on Tuesday. Now, I will remind you not to fall in love with the downside. Do not fall in love with the downside. We're just expecting a market correction, and I'll show you why in just a moment. So your Russell doesn't look good. It's been reeling from the double top, and the Omni is red for trading on Tuesday. Look at your NASDAQ. Same sort of action. NASDAQ not looking happy here, below the Omni average. I don't like that at all. It's starting to drop. I've got a red Omni for trading on Tuesday, and it does not look very happy here. But remember, do not fall in love with the downside, especially in E-mini S&P. Let's go look at why. Now let's go out to a weekly chart of your NASDAQ, where each one of these daily bars is no longer a daily bar. It represents an entire week. It's 5 days of trading per trading line. So 1 week, a whole week, another whole week. So it's each bar represents 5 days of trading. So it's a longer term look. Longer term, we're in a bull flag that almost always at the end of a bull flag's life will do something that we expect, like this on the upside. Almost always you will find that bull flags towards the end of their lives make the market go higher. So you can get a little bit of runaround in here, right? It could run all the way down to the bottom of this flag, then roll all the way back to the top, and then run back to the bottom. So it could have some play, but it's inside of a bull flag. So I want you to keep that in mind, and then let's go look at this. Here's why I'm telling you not to fall in love with the downside. I get it, but don't fall in love with it. Check this out. E-mini S&P on the weekly bar chart. This is the all-time high ever printed. We're sitting right here, literally. The highest the S&P's ever traded in its entire life since I started 45 years ago, and we're only sitting right here with this far away from all-time highs. So don't fall in love with the downside, but we are expecting downside for trading on Tuesday. And with that in mind, AMD fans, check it out. AMD Advanced Micro. Look at this rounded top. It's looking like it's filling in now. And I'm expecting downside. The Omni is expecting downside for trading on Tuesday in AMD. And then OmniAx Unite. We just had an Omni come in and liquidate his Omni Phoenix tokens, and that's good because that means we get to buy them cheaper. Go out and buy your Omni Phoenix right now. When someone liquidates, it's our job around the world to absorb those coins. Why? Because you can't short the Omni. You can only get out. Absorb those coins, OmniX. Go out and buy your Omni Phoenix right now. The details for buying Omni Phoenix are right below this video. And if you need me, call me at 702-629-4755, and I'll help you out with that as quickly as I can. Get yourselves in the Omni Phoenix. Let's take this thing to the moon, kids. Great buying opportunity. It's cheap now. Go get that Omni Phoenix. And then we're going to go back to this chart, and we're going to say Traders, remember not to fall in love with the downside, but to expect some for trading on Tuesday in our stock market and in AMD. And then remember, stops are in. Emotions are rock and roll. Traders will do a much more comprehensive video tomorrow night. I just wanted to get this out to you. Why? Because the Omni signal went from neutral to bearish. It's pointing down. It's red now, and you need that information. Meet me all at livewithoscar.com. I'll see you in my live trading room, or I'll see you streaming on TikTok, streaming on Live with Oscar in my trading room, streaming on YouTube and many other platforms all day long. Make sure you join me. I'll see you there.